Hello! Now I'm going to tell you how to use the anti-theft device Perekhvat Universal. In order to install Perekhvat Universal, we turn off the car and put the steering wheel on the factory latch. After that, the body of the anti-theft device, which is located on the shaft, will be in a convenient for you position with opening down. Take the blocker. Sitting on a driver's seat, bend the body, extend the arm and install the blocker not looking into the body of the anti-theft device. Check its secure fit. That's it, the anti-theft device is installed. To remove the anti-theft device, take the key. The same position, not looking, bend your body. With straight arm, put the key on, turn, and the blocker fall into your hand. Please note that our anti-theft device can be used both by men and women. You get the skill very quickly, usually in 2-3 days for everyday use of our device. What is more, there is an all-time special offer no risk on our website. If you buy the anti-theft system Python, you can use and test it during 1 week. If for some reason you don't like the device, you can return it within 1 week and guaranteed get your money back. So no risk for you.